Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China reduced air pollution. Over the past decade, China has made remarkable strides in improving its air quality through a series of ambitious and comprehensive policies. These efforts have led to substantial reductions in harmful airborne particles, transforming urban environments. The government committed significant financial resources, investing hundreds of billions of dollars into cleaner energy and advanced pollution control technologies across various sectors. A cornerstone of China's strategy involved rigorous policy and industrial reforms. The government enforced strict emission standards, leading to the upgrade or closure of numerous coal-fired power plants. Thousands of high-polluting factories were either shut down or relocated from densely populated areas. Additionally, industrial zones across the country adopted advanced technologies like electrostatic precipitators and desulfurization systems to significantly reduce emissions. China also focused on a massive energy and transportation transition. The nation became a global leader in renewable energy, with substantial investments in solar and wind power capacity. Electric vehicle adoption surged, with millions of units on the roads, supported by significant government subsidies. Public transport systems were expanded, and cleaner fuels were introduced for both vehicles and residential heating, moving away from traditional coal burning in many areas. These concerted efforts have yielded impressive results. Average fine particulate matter concentrations across China decreased by over one-third, with some regions seeing reductions of more than 50%. This improvement has brought significant public health benefits, including an estimated increase of 2 years in average life expectancy. While substantial progress has been made, China continues its commitment to a greener future, focusing on sustained air quality improvements and sustainable development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.